Wag mong kagatin yan. Why do you like to go to school, Adam? Why is it important to go to school?
Because medyo madami natutunan.
I learn?
I learn.
You learn what?
Animal. I learn animal.
You learn a lot of things?
Yes.
What did you learn today at school? What did you learn?
Animal.
Animal. What animals?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. What's your favorite? What's your favorite animal?
A chick.
Chick?
Yes.
Why do you like chick?
Because the egg is so yummy. I like hard-boiled because I'm squishy.
Do you eat the chick?
Yes. But I love the yellow.
The yellow? The yolk?
Yes.
Oh. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Is an egg healthy?
Yes.
Oh. Do you like other animals?
Yes.
Did you see what animals did you see and touch?
Chicken ay lagi ko na ulit yun.
I always eat.
Yung lagi ko nakikita.
I always see.
I always see the chicken.
Oh, where do you see chicken?
I see pag ulit yung pag umaalis.
When I go to school, when I go outside.
When you go outside and see a chicken
Oh.
every day.
You see a chicken every day. Do you like chicken?
Yes, because the chicken is tuka.
The chicken is what?
The tuka.
Tuka.
Yes.
The chicken is tuka.
Yes.
Did you have pets?
No. But dahil di ko paludo mag-alaga ng pet.
I don't know how to take care of a pet.
I do care of the pet.
Ah, okay. But I thought you had a fish last time. You had a pet fish.
I had the fish but I'm eating, but my pet is goldfish.
Oh, your pet is goldfish. What happened to your goldfish?
It's dead now.
It's dead? Why is it dead?
Because I'm eating this. It's dead now.
What? I forgot to feed.
Ano?
I forgot to feed. Nakalimutan mo, di ba? I forgot to feed the fish.
Nakalimutan ko ba?
I forgot to feed the fish.
I forgot to feed the fish.
Ah, okay. What other pets did you have? I remember you had a rabbit before.
My auntie.
Your auntie. What's the name of your rabbit?
Bonbon.
Bonbon. What happened to your rabbit?
My auntie too is had ano ulit Romy?
Alin?
Ano?
Yung alin?
Ano ulit?
Alin
Hindi
ba?
marunong mag-alaga.
My auntie doesn't know how to take care of a rabbit.
My auntie too scared.
Doesn't know
Doesn't know
how to care
how to care
for a rabbit.
for a rabbit.
Oh, so the rabbit died?
Yes.
Did you were you sad when the rabbit died?
Yes.
Did you-
because I like animal because it's cute.
Oh, did you cry when Bonbon died? Did you cry?
Yes.
What other pets did you have?
Chick.
Chick. Oh, you had a pet chick. What happened to the chick?
It's dead too.
It's dead too?
Because I not eat my chick.
You did not feed.
Not feed.
You did not feed?
Yes.
The chick didn't want to eat, baby. Ayaw niya kumain, di ba? The chick didn't want to eat. What pets do you want to have? Do you still want to have pets?
Yes, because it's die, but it's die.
Oh, but do you still want to have pets? Gusto mo pa rin ba magkaroon ng pets?
Yes, but I like chicks.
You like chicks?
Yes, because I like to pet.
Oh, you like to pet the chick.
Because we really know how to do.
We don't know
We don't know
how to take care.
how to take care of the pet.
Baby, because we're busy. We're very busy. We don't have time to take care of pets. You say bye-bye. What? Ano yun? What? What's your question?
Do you like some?
What?
Do you like some food? Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry. I want to buy food. Do you sell food?
Yes.
What do you sell?
I sell chicken, spaghetti, and 3 chocolate and 3 biscuits.
Oh, biscuits.
3 biscuits.
Do you have vegetables?
I have a chicken.
Is chicken a vegetable?
I have chicken because
Chicken is not a vegetable.
But it's healthy, the chicken.
But I want vegetable. Do you have vegetable?
I know vegetable.
No, you don't have.
I don't have vegetable.
Do you have fruits?
Yes.
What kind of fruits do you have?
Banana.
Banana. What else? What else do you have? What's that?
Carrots.
Is that a fruit? No, that's a vegetable, baby.
It's a vegetable.
Oh, okay. How much for the carrot, please? $2? I don't have dollars. I only have pesos.
Yeah, pesos.
Oh, so how much in pesos?
Ito na lang kaya.
How much? Don't get my money.
100.
100?
100 na lang, please.
Okay, here you go. Here's 100.
Okay.
Do I have change? Do I have change?
Yes. Alin?
Sukli. Nuro ko na sa iyo yung
Ano
sukli.
naman ito sa
May sukli ba? May sukli? 100 binayad ko sa'yo. 100 kailangan. May sukli.
Opo.
Sobra ba yung... Wala, di ba? Sobra ba yung binayad ko? Tama lang yung binayad ni Mama. Sakto.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I need...
What?
I need this.
What? You need what? Okay. Can I have the receipt, please?
Receipt?
Yes?
Receipt.
Receipt. This is the receipt, baby. You close your drawer. You close your drawer first. Okay, thank you. Bye. Come again. Come again.
Come again.